I'm Rick Schutte, the broker-owner of Coldwell Banker Cucci Real Estate here in Oak Harbor, Washington. And this morning we're together with Lynn Bankowski, Senior Loan Advisor with Alaska Mortgage Credit Union here in Oak Harbor. Is it Alaska Mortgage?
Alaska USA Mortgage.
Alaska USA Mortgage here in Oak Harbor. And this morning, Lynn and I are going to visit a little bit about the difference between pre-approval letters for your customers, or for you, I should say, and pre-qualification letters. And so, Lynn, can you give us a little bit of background on this?
I sure can. So a pre-qualification letter, basically a pre-qualification is based on an oral exchange between you and your originator. So you're telling them how much income, what your liabilities are, assets, and such. The issue with that is it's just an oral exchange. There isn't any documentation to support that information. So we're all human. Sometimes what that means is things may be forgotten or overlooked. And the other part of that is, you know, you may have a bonus that's upcoming and you're not thinking about that additional income. There may be a trust fund that's coming in, or you may have additional expenses coming in the near future that maybe a longer conversation would prompt those thought processes.
So, Lynn, what would be the difference then between that and a pre-approval?
The pre-qualification doesn't hold a lot of water in the realtor community typically because, again, none of that information has been validated. So really the best thing to do is get a pre-approval. And what that means is not only do you have this oral exchange, you know, either over the phone or in person with your originator, but you also provide the documentation to support that information. Then once you have that pre-approval letter, make sure that if there are any changes, you communicate that with your lender so that everybody's still on the, you know, the most accurate information to move forward and have a successful outcome.
So you would say then for somebody who is looking to purchase a home, it's best to come in and sit down with their loan officer and get a pre-approval letter so that they can have that as a negotiating item when they go to purchase a home.
The pre-approval letter will hold much more water than a pre-qualification. Now, not everybody has an opportunity to come down and sit with somebody at their desk. You know, we're all busy people, so there are ways you can make application online. You can talk to your, you know, an originator over the phone. But really the documentation to support that conversation or that email application is really the key to getting a good, strong pre-approval letter. The other thing about that is sometimes people think, oh, I can buy this much house or that much house. So once you have your pre-approval, you won't be looking too high or too low.
So this morning we've seen the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification letters. And I hope that this has been beneficial. And if you have any questions, feel free to call Lynn Bankowski here in Oak Harbor at Alaska USA Mortgage, or any of us at Coldwell Banker Cucci Real Estate would be happy to help you.